Guys, ito na po yung dumating na yung insta 360. Okay, so kuha tayo ng kutsilyo. Excited pa naman ako, pero nagdadalawang isip ako bakit yung price nito ay 22,800 is matalang dito sa sa app. Dito nakalagay to 22,800 pero sa app Lazada, where's the Lazada? Sana hindi ako nagkamali. Lazada yan is 22,550 lang oh. Tama naman eh.
So, okay. 22,550. May Lazada voucher doon. So, buksan na natin guys sa ating... Sana hindi ha. Ito, kita natin. Yan ha. So, sabihin na pipilan. Para may proof tayo na... Kasi baka sabihin na, i-deny nila. Ay, hala. Baka i-deny nila na... kung hindi natin alam, mayroon difference ng COD kasi. Ang difference ng COD guys, baka mapiki ka, pwede mo pa i-solid ka na. So, alam kung paano ito buksan. Ang hirap pala. Ngayon dumating guys, excited ako, kakahintay. So, mapansin nyo is tawag dito, nakaslip ko Insta 360. Ay, baliktad, kaya pala baliktad. Slip, si baliktad, sira talaga. Insta 360 X2. Sana hindi tayo lalo nito ha, maluko. Kasi kung maluko tayo, yari tayo. It's 22,550. So kung maluko tayo, wala na, isawin natin.
Sa mga ganitong medyo may pricey kasi medyo kabahan ka, legit ba? Pero sana totoo, negosyo naman kasi. So ito na, yun nga, nakaano siya, maganda nga guys, parang totoo. So yung memory 32 gig memory, parang totoo guys, no? Nakarap yung memory niya, pero dapat may ano pa to, nakaano siya oh, tapos may resibo, may saka yung package na, parang ito yung ano niya, yung stick. So wala na, ano ito iba, yung foam. So maganda ang packaging, hindi naman, safety siguro, kaya binalot ng gusto. So tuloy natin. So dito muna tayo sa pakyat natin kaya ito, yung camera. Wala kasi kung stand sa cellphone guys. Okay. Buksan natin yung extended length, yung ano to. Okay, ito yung extended, ang tawag nito ay selfie stick ng Insta 360. Ay, baliktad. So siguro hindi nyo nakikita kasi nga anong tawag nito, yung hindi nakikita ba. Hindi nyo nakikita guys ang stick kasi ano yan eh, tawag nito invisible stick. So parang may hinahawakan ko, pero yan o, hinahawakan ko pero hindi nyo nakikita. So ganun talaga eh, invisible stick. So ngayon excited ako, kaya ito ang napili ko kasi mapapansin nyo may meron na akong GoPro. Ang GoPro Hero 9 is the best talaga. So ang problema naman kung ang bibilin ko isa pang yung 361R. Hindi ko naman kailangan yung ganun. Ang kailangan ko yung ibang ano, view naman. So yung 360 lang. So kung bibilhin ko yung ano, may negative akong nabasa sa mga reviews eh. Pero ito may negative din. Kaso nag-ano na ako, nag-gamble na ako. Kasi hindi ko naman siguro gamitin ng lagi yung main cam. Yung main cam ko is GoPro, yun o, nakadikit. GoPro. So ilang bagsak na yan guys. Dahil sa mounting. Dalawa kasi yung 360 ko. Hindi, GoPro. So legit guys. So ito, so tama lang. Magbigat-bigat din pala siya guys. Okay lang. Pero nakakatakot. Ay naalala ko nito, pag matumba to, sira tong ano. Sira tong lens. So dandahanin lang natin yan. So ano ba bang kasama niya? Itong mga cover na to, tapo naman natin to. Pero sana gumana. May warranty kasi tayo. Oh, may wire, may charger to. Tapos may lagayan. Okay. Lagayan. Okay lang. Tapos may lagayan. So saka yung button. Tapos may sticker ko na eh. Tapos mga manual. So tabi na natin yan. So yun guys, yan ang laman. So hindi ko alam kung gagana. I-on lang natin para sigurado gagana ba. So legit naman. Kinabahan ako baka fake ba, kasi minsan yung nababasa natin sa ano eh. So i-on natin ha. Hindi ko pa alam to paano i-on. Pero ito, malamang ito. Tanggalan natin ang sige lang cover. Okay, tanggalan natin. Tinanggalan ko na ng cover para po sa kalikod. So parang nakikita ko sa mga reviews, kailangan mag-ingat nito kasi scratches. Okay, on ko na. Long press siguro. Yon, long press. So ngayon guys, lobat. So okay, very nice. Very nice talaga. You know, naka ano na siya. Mas baliktarin natin. Oh. Sus, ang galing talaga oh. Nasa harap, nasa likod, pwede. So okay na guys, gumagana naman. So i-charge ko na lang. Thank you sa ano, Lazada. Okay, I hope na waterproof siya. Thank you. Yan lang. I-off natin. Off. Long press din pag off. Thank you. Ikaw dyan. Thank you. Guys, mag-update po tayo ng firmware ng Insta 360. So, ang kailangan mo lang is yung micro SD na gagamitin natin para i-connect sa computer. Ito ang pinaka mabilis na mag-update. So ready na yan. Oops. Pupunta tayo sa site ng Insta 360. Right, ito lang. So downloads, yes, andito. So yan guys, andito na sa Insta 360 1X2. Tapos pasok na natin yung USB natin sa. Okay guys, we completed the download of Insta 360 firmware update. So we open the file, we transfer the file to the, oh my god, ano lang.
Open the folder. Where? So this file we will transfer this to one to send to USB. I think it's USB G. USB G goes. So after send. Okay, this time. Sorry. Send to G. Okay, complete. So I completed the transfer. Then let's pull it out. Oh my god. Let's pull it G. Okay. So now
Okay, successful. So we'll transfer this one to Insta360 camera. Okay. Okay, that's it. And the battery, my god, this is when you have a new camera, you always make sure that you taking care of it. And now let's put the lock and push, I hope. Okay, so then we start. Power on. One push. And there you go. I hope you can see. Yeah, it's updating. It's updating now.
This is the fastest way to update your Insta360 One X2. And it didn't work when I used the Wi-Fi connect to the. It's really lag. I don't know, maybe it takes time, but it's better to use the micro SD to computer directly. Oh, come on. How many minutes?
Anyway guys, downloading about 3 minutes. Downloading the firmware. And then updating, I don't know, it's about 1 minute already, 2 minutes. So it says that if everything, it will turn off and restart. So we'll wait. We will wait for that for the moment. Okay, you see, it's turned off. Now restarting, oh, it's very fast. Restarting is very fast. So now I will turn on my Insta360 from my phone, and let's connect this one, the center one. I think it's connected already. Oh no, it's okay. I think it's connected. Okay, I think it's connected. Yes. Oh, connected. Yes. Ito pala yung operation nito. Mag-record ka muna. Pagkatapos na record mo, yung footage 360 kasi yon. So, after mo mag-record, doon ka naman mag-process sa cellphone mo or sa computer. Pwede mo na baguhin yung yung saan ka tumingin sa video, saan ka Galing nga guys. So, mag-record ka lang, pindutin mo lang, magre-record siya, lakad ka or hindi ka na mag-ikot-ikot sa camera. So, gano'n lang pala ang operation nitong Insta360. Record mo na, then tsaka ka sa post. I'm not really sure how this works. This is my first time. So if I record auto mode, okay, so if I record this one, no, okay, I'm not sure. Okay, let's try okay, I move 15 seconds recording. Okay, that's it. I think it's enough. And now I don't know what to expect. Let's go videos. Okay, then let's click the recorded one. So I'm hoping that I'm doing all right. Okay. Uy, hey, that's enough. Viewfinder, maybe this one. Hey, stop. Viewfinder. Okay. So if you turn your, you see, very nice, guys. It's 360. You see, if you turn your camera sample, it will do. It's nice. It's 360. Oh my god. I like it. So you see, okay, I put down. So in the post you can see, I don't know how to, maybe let's do it like this. Okay, let's try to record. Then Okay, how? Okay. You push, continue to push, then okay, I will turn around. You can see. So the camera is moving also with me. So I can see my face. Alright, this is amazing. The best. Okay, and that's enough. Export? I'm not sure. Export. So let's do export. I already play. So I don't know. Maybe export. Export. Okay. Color plus. No. Let's not do anything. Just export. This is my first time. First operation of Insta 360x2. Wow, it's about 15 seconds. So I saw in previous reviews that you can use this turning. I don't know what's the call this one. Turning chair or revolving chair. Okay, that's how you do it.